how to remove words from iPhone predictive text. Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any step. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So predictive text is a feature that helps you when you're writing something, let's say right now, but it's like guessing the words that I'm trying to type. So it's pretty helpful. Sometimes it corrects correctly, the guesses correctly. Now how you can remove words. What you need to do is to go to open settings. Now you need to open settings and tab on general right here, and now go to or tab on transfer or reset phone. Scroll down right at the bottom, you'll see transfer or reset iPhone. So tab on this, and here you need to tab on reset, and then you need to tab on reset keyboard dictionary. Tab reset keyboard dictionary. Now you need to enter your passcode if prompted, but for me I need to enter my passcode. Alright, and now all I need to do is to tab on reset dictionary, and that's it. Now let me show you how to remove a word from predictive text. Just one word. How you can remove a word from predictive text. So what you need to do is to open settings and tab on general, and now tab on keyboards right here. Tab on keyboard, and now what you need to do is to tab on text replacement. Tab on text replacement. Now what you need to do is to tab on the plus. Right here. And here you need to enter the correct spelling in a phrase field, and then like in the shortcut field here you can enter like a incorrect spelling or a suggestion. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Take care.